Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys could probably tell by the title of this video, today I'm going to be talking all about my faux bangs. First, before we get started, let me take these babies out. Whoop. Just like that. So, like I said, I am going to be talking about my faux bangs today, and these bangs are all from the hair shop, where they sell literally more hair than you could ever imagine. They have like every extension you could ever imagine, wigs, clip-ins, ponytails, bangs. They have literally everything. So they will be linked down below. So these bangs come in 3 different styles. The first one that I was wearing at the very beginning of this video is the bang. It's called the bang, and this one has like hair that goes in the back that can go up into a ponytail, and of course it has bangs. We will talk more about this in a minute. I will also be listing all the prices right here when I put this up. I can't remember exactly how much each costs. They're about $100 each, so I just couldn't remember the exact price. So they'll be right here or listed down below, something like that. Their next style is the V-bang. Wonder why it's called that. Looks like a V. And then their last style is their blunt bang, which is what it sounds like, blunt. So I have rooted versions of all 3 of these bangs, but they do come all one color too. And the other really cool thing about these bangs is that they're completely customizable. You can cut, you can color them to whatever you want them to be. So I think that's kind of the coolest part, is that you know, you can buy this one, which is the bang, and you can make it like almost a blunt straight across, or you can make it a combination of like a shaggy bang and a blunt bang, which is kind of like what this is. And you can cut the sides short, or you can keep them long. Like there's literally just so many different options that you can do with these bangs, and it's like the best way on planet Earth to change your look completely in 5 seconds. Like 5 seconds and you look like a different person, and you didn't have to cut your real bangs. Don't do that, people. Don't cut your real bangs. And I'm a huge advocate for that now, because here's the thing. Most of the time when you cut your bangs, you hate them. I feel like 9 times out of 10, anybody I've ever talked to hates their bangs. And at least for me, it was always because they were never what I wanted. Like, I don't have a ton of thick hair in the front of my head. So, like, I would never get, like, this thick, beautiful, like, even bang, you know? So, these are totally worth the money because you don't have to, like, grieve over your bangs for 2 years while you're growing them out. You know what I'm saying? So, I do want to say that this video is not sponsored, although, so to start off, I actually bought this bang piece myself because I was like, I need to try like bangs, like I need them. Like I had extensions and I was like, bangs are my next step, that's my next thing, like I need bangs. And I bought them. I loved them so much. I posted a few videos on my Instagram using them, and then Huda Beauty shared it, which was like the coolest thing on planet Earth. My life was made. So the hair shop actually saw that video, and they asked if they could send me 2 of their other kinds of bangs, and of course I said yes, because I love them. And so now I actually do some sponsored posts for them on Instagram, but this post is not sponsored, and I just like really wanted to share with you guys my love for these bangs. And even if it was sponsored, it really wouldn't change anything because I still love them nonetheless. You know what I'm saying? Like I would do this no matter what. Like I was going to do this when I just bought these bangs and I didn't even, you know, have contact with the hair shop. I do actually have a code so you guys can get money off of these bangs, and it's not affiliated. I don't make money off the code. That'd be great, but I don't. So the code is Glamnanne, my name, Glamnanne, and you get 20% off clip-ins, bangs, and ponytail pieces. And it's online only, not in store, but trust me, like that would bring this like down to, I don't know what 20% of 100 is. That's really sad. Is that like $20? So 20% off, $100, like, makes the bangs even more worth it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so enough chatting. Let's get to trying these babies on. So first, I'm going to be trying on the V-bang, and I don't think I mentioned this, but you can curl them, you can straighten them just like your hair. These is the same hair as my extensions, so you can do everything that you would do to your normal hair to these bangs. How they work is they have clips in the back. So let me show you. This V-bang has, is it focused? So this V-bang has 3 different clips, 1, 2, 3, and 2 of them face downward, these 2, and this middle one faces upwards so that it can kind of grab your hair. And all of these bangs have like a lace, or I don't really know what it's called, like front, so it looks like it's coming out of like your part or your hair. Like it just looks so real. So what you're gonna do is part your hair down the middle. So down the middle, just like that. And then you're gonna tuck your bangs or your front pieces of your hair into your hair. And I don't think I mentioned this, but you do need to cut these bangs. Like, you do need to take them to your hairstylist and have them cut the bangs because they come super duper thick and they're not styled when you get them. So you do have to take them in. That's like the most fun part because you get to like style them however that you want them. So I'm going to take the first clip in the middle and it's facing upwards, so it's going to hook on to where my part is. And I'm going to really kind of push and clip down. And then the reason for the V is that what you're going to do is part your hair like this, where the V is, and then clip it underneath. And you want to try and get it really tight and put down, you know what I'm saying? Brush it out. It's hard to not see and do this. And then do the other side. I have a few extensions in the way on this side, so I have to be kind of like careful, but. And I just wanted to mention that my hair color currently doesn't really match up with this bang piece in particular. And when I had these bangs in the very beginning, this bang piece and my hair, they matched up perfectly. The roots were perfect, but right now my roots are kind of a lot longer than the bangs, so it does look a little off. So if you're noticing that, it's because my hair color and the color of the bangs aren't matching completely. I need to get my hair redone, but I'm just showing you so that you can kind of see how they work and what they look like. And if you had your hair color matched perfectly to the bangs, trust me, you can't tell. In my Instagram videos where I post with these bangs in particular, it looks so good. These ones have been my favorite up until now, where I like can't really wear them because of my hair color. But trust me, they totally work. It's just my hair color is a little bit off. Just wanted to mention that. And then under there it goes. And I actually need to go in to get my hair like recolored. So right now, like my roots aren't completely matching up, but I'm going to go in with the straightener a little bit to straighten them and kind of shape them the way I want them. So I especially love these V-bangs because you really can like wear them like shaggy, or you can wear them like a side part like you just saw that I had. I like to kind of wear them like down the middle. I think I need to recut them a little bit so that they're a little bit shorter in the middle, but I like to wear them kind of shaggy. Like kind of like 70s vibes here. So those are the V-bangs. Let's move on to the next ones. All right, so next up are the blunt bangs, and this one has 4 different clips. Okay, so like I said, this one has 4 clips. These 2 are facing upwards, and then these 2 kind of like go in and clip onto your part kind of thing. So let's put them on. Clip 1, clip 2, 3, and 4. Then you want to brush out your hair. These ones need to be straightened. Brush your hair out. As you can see, like the top just like blends so well, especially because it's like rooted. I don't know what happened to these. They need to be fixed. So I'm going to go in and straighten them up. And you want to make sure that your bangs like aren't kind of sticking out, because that can like kind of give it away. So put your bangs away after you brushed everything else forward. I love these ones. I don't know. I think these were the first ones I bought, and I just like, I don't know, I've always wanted like that blunt straight across bang, and I just feel like so cool. You can like pull your hair back, like wear a ponytail, which is like actually like one of my favorite ways to wear these bangs. And as you can see on top, it just like really blends like so well. into your hair, like, I'm telling you, people never notice, or at least not to my knowledge, when I'm wearing them. Like, people, like, because, like, honestly, like, who has fake bangs, right? Like, I feel like not very many people do, so to think that somebody might be, like, wearing fake bangs on their head is, like, kind of weird, you know? So, number 2, let's go to the last one. Alrighty, so these ones kind of happen to be my favorite, so I kind of saved the best for last. These are the bangs, and they have 3 straight across clips. So 3 straight across clips, and all of the clips face, well, downward or upward, but depending on the way that you look at it. Here's the front of the bangs, and then they have all of this hair in the back so that you can, like, put your hair up in a ponytail, and that is, like, the faux part, which honestly looks so real and believable. It's amazing. These ones are my favorite. Oh, I also want to talk about how comfortable they are. For me, like, I can, like, kind of put up with a lot, so I think I could see maybe people, like, not being able to wear these all day, but for me, they don't really bother me very much. They don't hurt at all. They just, you know, they're, like, something clipped. It's basically just, like, clip-in extensions. So if you can, like, handle clip-in extensions, these should be no problem. So we're just gonna clip the middle, clip the sides. You wanna, like, make sure it's as flat as possible and, like, kind of pull them taut. Okay, now looking good. Then what I like to do is brush this long hair back. Like that. So it's kind of, like, in line with all my other hair. And I like these ones because they're kind of a mix of the first 2. They're, like, a little bit shaggy, a little bit blunt. Like, you can do so much with them. I love it. So honestly, I like the look of these, like, even just down without this part being back. Like, it kind of gives you, like, a little volume or whatever. I, like, can't decide where I want to wear these, in the middle or in the side. There's, like, one of these hairs that, like, really needs to be cut. I also want to mention my hairstylist, Beau. He cut and styled all of these bangs. I love him so much. If you guys don't follow him, you should. His name is Beausef on Instagram, Beausef, and he does tons and tons of hair, like, transformations. He is a magician, You do want to be careful not to part the bangs too much, like, upwards, because you will maybe start to see, like, your hairline, so you kind of want to hide it by keeping the clips low on your hairline and, like, not, like, going like that. But even so, like, there's my hairline, but, like, it took a minute to be able to see that. And like I said, these ones can be pulled back into a pony. They all can, but, like, these ones, like, kind of have the top part so that, like, you could really, like, put your hair up in, like, a high ponytail and it would totally look, like, seamless. Anyway, that's basically it for these bangs. If you guys have any questions about them, you can always comment below and I will answer your questions. If you want to see more videos using the bangs, I have tons of them on my Instagram, so go check them out there and follow me if you want to, at Glamnanne. We know this. But yeah, I love them. I think they're the best way to change up your look. I always just get so excited that I can put these on and, like, I basically feel like I'm a different person. Like, it totally ups my hairstyle game and I just love them. So all of the links to find them and the code that you can use to get 20% off will all be down below, so check everything out there. Let me know if you buy some because I want to see. Tag me in your pictures or, I don't know, DM me. Like, I would love to see. These are so fun and I think everybody should have a pair or, like, a set. What, pair? Set? I don't know. If you like this video, give it a big, huge thumbs up. And if you like me and you want to see more videos like this, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And you can also hit the bell next to the subscribe. You can also hit the bell button next to the subscribe button if you want to be notified every time I post. And, like, why wouldn't you want to be notified if you're already subscribing? I might as well just, like, get notified, right? Right. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. You can wear all 3 of them at the same time for a 360 look. It's really hot. It's hot. That's hot. It's hot. With the idea of you